As a young lady, I have this goal of having multiple streams of income, and I tend to have up to 10 multiple streams of income before I clock 40. Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, hello and welcome. Hi, I'm Dolapo and I'm a Nigerian YouTuber, a freelancer and an headwear designer based in Lagos. So in this video, I just want to talk about 10 side hustles that can fetch you money every month. As a young lady, I have this goal of having multiple streams of income, and I tend to have up to 10 multiple streams of income before I clock 40. I've been a freelancer. I have tried my hands on some of these things I want to share with you guys. A side hustle is just a job or what you find yourself doing to make that extra cash outside what you do. Whether you have a 9-to-5 job, whether you're an headwear designer, whether you're a fashion designer, for whatever job you do as your main hustle, you could have several other side hustles to help you with your income. So I'm going to be sharing with you 10 side hustles that can go along with your main hustle without them affecting each other. I am an employee of a reputable company, and I have different side hustles that help me earn a substantial amount of income every month. At least we need all this money to pay our bills. We need to sort a lot of things concerning ourselves and our family, and the economy is not smiling at all. So I am just here to share all these ideas with you. You can pick on anyone you feel will work best for you when you're comfortable doing. The first one I'm going to be sharing with you is affiliate marketing. I know a lot of you must have heard about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing simply means you selling a product for a particular person or a particular company, and you're selling the product on behalf of a particular person or a particular company, and you're getting a commission. Let me explain what affiliate marketing means further, using myself as an example. Like, I am an headwear designer and I have a particular product I want to sell, okay, and you want to assist me in selling this product. So affiliate marketing simply means that I am selling this product to a customer through you, and what is successfully done, I'm going to be paying you back commission. So it could be in form of percentage, or depending on how the policy is, you understand. I could pay you maybe 10% of the price of the product, 20%, 30%, some even pay up to 50% depending on what the policy or what their policy is. Affiliate marketing can be in form of a physical product or digital product. So if you want me to do a video or expatiate further on what affiliate marketing is and how you can earn money through affiliate marketing, so please let me know in the comment section below. Now, the next side also you could consider having is called dropshipping. Okay, it's just a business whereby the seller accepts customer orders and sends them to the customer without having a touch or having these goods in stock. For example, I sell headwears, okay, and you want to dropship. Like, you want a customer orders through you, you must have advertised. Maybe I send pictures of my product to you, you advertise, and you want to sell to a customer. So like, a customer orders for this product, and you come to me, oh, I want this product to get to this particular customer. So dropshipping simply means you are moving this product at your own concluded price, and once the customer pays you, then the product is being sent to the customer, then you now pay me. That's simply what dropshipping means. I don't know if you get it. Dropshipping is you not having a keep of the product and you are selling to customers. I am selling a product for 5,000 naira, for example. You are selling to a customer for 7,000 naira, but the product is with me. So what it simply means is that you're going to be getting the product from me. I will send the product to the customer directly. You're not going to be having a physical touch or a keep of the product, okay? But the customer is going to be paying you your 7,000 naira while you send the 5,000 naira for my own product to me. That is what dropshipping simply means. So there are several dropshipping companies available. You could dropship for individuals, you could dropship for companies. I only use my headwear products as an example. The third side also you could consider doing is called blogging. Now, blogging has to do with writing stuffs You could be a lifestyle blogger, you could be a fashion blogger, it could be based on whatever you have passion for, you love doing, and you can simply make thousands of dollars within a particular period if you're really serious about it. The first side also you could have is you becoming a virtual assistant. Now, a virtual assistant is someone who assists a client for their administrative work at home or wherever they are. Like, for example, probably for the nature of my job, I could have a virtual assistant who could help me do some administrative work. I have someone who assists in probably video editing and responding to my chat and stuff like that. Another side also in my list is the real estate business. You could check for people who are into real estate and join them. Another side also you could consider doing is being a social media manager. You could manage social media pages of influencers and the likes. You can help them manage their Facebook account, their Instagram account, YouTube account, and then stuff like that. Another way of making money via side also is you creating a YouTube channel. Like myself, I am on YouTube. I create tutorial videos, I make videos. One of the videos you're seeing right now is also generating a passive income for me. This is not my main hustle, it's also a side hustle, and I've been doing this. I'm a living testimony to it that it has helped me earn a substantial amount of income, or I earn a substantial amount of income every month on this space. Another way of having a site also is you writing and selling an ebook. If you are good in a particular area, probably you know how to cook, you could write an ebook on how to cook, how to make headwears, how to make art, how to make turbans. You can just write an ebook on a particular topic and sell online, sell on the ebook publishing site. You can sell your ebook and make a substantial amount of money every month or over time. Another side also you could consider doing is you being a POS agent. POS simply means point of sales. This is popular in Nigeria. Like you have people around who need money, who wants to send or receive money, and they use POS agents rather than walking into the banking hall, maybe because of time, because of the crowdedness and all that. So a POS agent can actually save such a person in such situation. It means you're sending money or receiving money through an agent, through their POS machine, and you're getting a particular commission for it. This could be considered as a side also. If you can't do that yourself, you can get someone to assist you. The last but not the least on the list is freelancing, editing and proofreading. A freelancer is simply a person who provides services for clients. Okay, you could freelance whatever you have. If you know how to write, that's another idea. If you know how to proofread, that is also another idea. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and join the family. I'll be sharing several ideas, several tips, several tips on this channel, and it still does not stop our headwear tutorials. Recently I posted in my community asking us for your opinions. I asked if you want me to create other content that are outside headwear making. Should I create a channel for that, or I post all this content on this particular channel? And the majority is what is going to carry the votes. Yes, I asked you guys to vote, and I so much appreciate your vote. We're going by the highest number of votes. Yes, so if you haven't seen that, I would like you to please go to my community. Just go to my community. I'll show you how to do that right here. Just go to my community on this space. You will see this post, or you can just leave a comment below. My question is, I have other content I would like to share with you. I would like to share with other people on this YouTube space, and I'm asking if you want me to create a separate channel for that purpose, or I include that to what we do already right here on this channel. It is even convenient for me to have all in one channel, because I know it's not easy to start another channel from the scratch, but you know your opinions still matter. So please let me leave a comment below if you want me to create a new channel for other content, or you want me to post all my content right here on this channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all for watching this video. Thank you everyone, and I hope to see you all in our next video. Bye.